Hello everybody. Today we're going to discuss the correct use of the manual release on your garage door. Alright, so we're going to start by disconnecting your door from your motor rail. What you're going to do is you're going to pull down on your red cable. You'll hear it disconnect and pull back. Putting your mechanism in unlock mode. So all you have to do to reconnect it is to pull down and forward. And once you have power again, you may use a remote or a wall control to activate your motor. And that click means that your door has grabbed onto your trolley. So just a quick tip in case you are worried about having your garage door secured after you've disconnected it and you cannot reconnect it, is you can just take any basic screwdriver, and there are holes within your vertical here that you can slide this in right over a roller. From there, it cannot be opened. But don't forget, when you have power again, pull it out or you're gonna have trouble.